Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've came across an issue which is the gyro was actually steering into the turn instead of the opposite direction to help you out with steering and keep a straight line. I couldn't figure out how to do it, but eventually I got to it. So I thought I would make a quick video, show you guys how it's done. Make sure your controller is switched on. Have your gyro turn on to 100%, switch the car on, and if I show you how it is right now, so that's not what you want, which is actually making it a lot worse for yourself to try to control it. On the side of the receiver in here there is a little pinhole. Get something small enough to go in there, and all you do, poke it twice, the lights will blink twice, and voila, and that is done. Yeah, that is it guys. I hope this does help you out. Any questions, please post a comment below and I will try to answer them as quick as possible.